Yo, what's up, guys? This is Akshay Dilip Kumar, aka ADK, and I hope you guys are doing well. And welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is going to be a really long day, and I'm going to start working on all the projects that I had kept on hold because of the Japanese exam last month. And I'm also going to take you guys through it. But before all of that, let's go have the breakfast my mom prepared for me and then start with the work. I just finished my breakfast and I feel so full right now. So let's set everything up and get to work. Usually I start my day by checking the Notion doc in which I write down all the important stuff that I need to get it done by the end of the day, and it really helps me a lot to keep on top of stuff that I need to get done. So let's begin. And as usual, none of my work goes according to plan and something or the other has to happen. And today I think my Wi-Fi adapter is not working, or it has got corrupt or something, and I'm unable to find my own Wi-Fi network, and because of that I'm unable to check my Notion doc, and because of that I'm not able to start my work. And so I think I should fix that first and then start the work. So you can see over here I have turned on my Wi-Fi and there are no networks found over here. I just restarted my computer and checked also, and still it isn't working. So I think I have to uninstall the driver and again install it again and then check. So let's see. So I just got my secondary laptop so that I can connect to the net and check how to troubleshoot this particular error. So let's see if I can fix this one. Alright guys, so I have fixed the problem. So what I did was I just updated my Wi-Fi adapter and also like resetted my advanced internet settings. So that thing actually helped me. So I had to again reconnect to the internet because everything was reset, because my entire network was resetted. But yeah, now I think my internet is working fine. As you can see over here, I'm able to get a list of Wi-Fi networks that are available, and also I've connected to the internet and I'm able to see my Notion doc. So this is my Notion doc, and as you can see I have a list of tasks that I have to complete for today. So without wasting any more time, let's begin our work. Alright guys, so I just completed a small portion of a course that I had enrolled in and also had my lunch. So I think I was a bit productive today, even though like there were like a lot of glitches in between with my Wi-Fi adapter and the internet and all. I was still able to get my work done. Next, I think I have to attend my language classes, and after that, I'll be taking some rest. And after that, I'll be uploading this video. And also, I think I would like to end this video over here, but I would like to thank each and every one of you guys for supporting me and subscribing to the channel, because we have successfully hit 100 subscribers, and it means a lot to me. And also, if you people like this video, do drop a like and don't forget to comment and subscribe to the channel. So I'll see you in the next one.